Welcome to the Frugal Prof channel on YouTube. Quick disclaimer, options involve risk, and this is not financial advice. Today's video, chances of a stock market crash caused by the election. And we're going to look at the VIX and the VXX to come up with actual probabilities and not just create fear-mongering. And as always, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel because it helps us in the algorithm. Now let's get right into it. Now here is the VXX, which is an ETF which tracks the VIX volatility index. It's not perfect, but it's a close proximity. And as you can see, going back to the crash we had when the coronavirus started, this was a spike above 50, went all the way close to 80 on the VXX. So above 50 is really the level we're looking at to approximate a crash. So that's what we're going to use when we evaluate the probability of this happening. Now the best way to gauge the move that the option market is pricing in is to look at the at-the-money move that the market is pricing in. So using the $25 at-the-money VXX call, we see a $7.45 move that is the expected move, which takes the VXX to $32.40, which is a big move, but it's less than the 50 that we hit during the crash for the coronavirus. Now remember, going back to the video that I did on Goldman Sachs client poll, they saw a two-tail risk scenario, number one being the results unknown, and 14% of those thought that the results of the election would be unknown into December. The second tail risk scenario would be an early winner and a relief rally. So keep that in mind. I will post a link to that video. Interesting results on that poll. So what is the bottom line? The bottom line is that the options market is pricing in a substantial move and substantial uncertainty for the VIX around the election, but it is certainly not pricing in a crash by any means. It's forecasting a VXX to trade about $34.20, nowhere near the level of 50 and above that we saw during the Corona crash. So that is where the options market is pricing in the move for the election. As always, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel because it helps us grow. Have a great week. Thanks.